Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today for you, I'm about to make my famous shea butter mixture using the African shea butter. African shea butter is used for a bunch of different things that are very beneficial to us in terms of our hair and our skin. It is anti-inflammatory and awesome for hair growth. So if you want to see me do my awesome shea butter mixture, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Along with the shea butter, you will also need grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very nourishing. It has a silky texture that is perfect for soothing away dryness. Avocado oil. It's an all-natural vegetable oil and promotes hydration. Jojoba oil. This is to allow your hair to look healthier, softer, and it can be used for massaging your hair or skin. Almond oil. It promotes clear, soft, healthy looking skin, and it's great for your entire body. Finally, we're going to be adding some drops of argan oil. It is great for dryness for your hair and adds shine and reduces flyaways. And also finally, what I like to add is leave-in conditioner. It is awesome to allow the shea butter to be a lot more creamier. Okay, so I'm going to be dumping the entire tub of shea butter. It's a small little tub. I can't remember the amount, but I will let you guys know in the description down below. Just making sure I get all of it because you don't want to waste this awesome goodness. I'm going to be cutting it up so that it's easier to dissolve when I put it over the stove. Once it's all cut up, I'm going to just gather everything into this plastic container. And then I'm going to take a pot and add some water to it, guys. Don't worry, this is not like real bottled water. Then I'm just going to add the container to the pot and then boil it over a stove for, I can't remember how long, but until it looks like this. Looking at this, I can now tell that shea butter mixture, it's really just an oil that solidifies. I don't get it. Alright, so I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, then another tablespoon of almond oil. You guys get the gist. And then another tablespoon of argan oil, or the entire tube. Then I'm just going to mix it all up in there, ensuring the oils are all mixed or infused in with the shea butter. Then I'm going to place it into the fridge and for a couple minutes, and it should come out like this, semi-hard around the edges. Then I'm going to take my handheld mixer and just mix it all up together. The reason why I do this is because I don't want it to get too hard, because we're going to be adding the conditioner just now. Once I mix it enough, it should start to harden and look a little bit more white. And now we add the leave-in. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of leave-in conditioner. Yeah, you guys guessed it. You can add more, trust me. I think I should have added a little bit more so the shea butter came out a little bit more creamier, but it's okay. It's up to you guys how you guys want it to be. This one came out a little bit harder than I would like it to be, but that's okay. So I'm going to be adding it back into the fridge and harden it up a little bit more. Now we're going to blend it. We're going to blend it until it's nice and fluffy. This is just a closer shot so you guys can see the creamy whipped goodness. Ooh, this looks so good. And it should come out like this. Alright, I'm going to be taking this lovely glass and using this Glad plastic bag so that I can ensure that all the shea butter that I just mixed is able to fit in the jars. And right here, I'm going to cut one end of the bag. By cutting the end of the bag, it allows me to efficiently push all the shea butter into the jars that I got. And there you have it, guys, my lovely shea butter mixture. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, you can follow me on all my social media accounts as Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye, y'all.